Hey everybody, this is Michael from Crane Painting. What we're doing here today is just going over not the whole process that we've done, but a small portion of it. We took this dark stained kitchen cabinet, the whole kitchen, and we took it to a white, but we glazed it. What we do there is we're highlighting the details of the cabinet doors, of the crown molding in the kitchen, just to make them pop a little bit and feel a little bit more modern. If we did an all white on this, which we've done before to certain ones, it doesn't really pop. So glazing is a great option. What we did was we actually had to use some Benjamin Moore acrylic glaze because I waited till the last minute and couldn't get my hands on the General Finishes glaze that I wanted. We mixed that 3-to-1 with the color was Mega Grige by Sherwin-Williams. It's just a nice neutral. We use it quite a bit. And then we went ahead and applied. I get a little frustrated with the TJR Glaze Gun that we have here, and realistically, I think my glaze was a little too thick for the applicator. Glaze gun, pretty awesome, but I also really did like this little bottle thingy that we used. Worked really well. I think it's a little henna bottle. So for those of you that have followed us, what we did is we went through our normal process of refinishing, which is we do detail on our YouTube channel and on our Facebook videos and everything like that. So we have cleaned, sanded, vac teched, primed with bin. We sanded a little bit with that too. What we've done is we've applied 2 coats of white poly from General Finishes. And from there, what we've done is we've gone over that with our glaze, and then we go with the clear Enduro poly from General Finishes after that, after the glaze is set up. So, good morning, everybody. This is Michael from Crane Painting. I'm going to speak loudly because my last few videos I was mush mouth or something like that. Sorry about that. We have a bunch of cabinet doors that we are going to be pinstripe glazing today. And there's a couple different methods we can go about that. One, we can use a tiny little brush. Artists will probably do this. It's going to take a hell of a long time though. 2, we have one of these little thingies, a little bottle with a syringe top on it. And then 3, we have what Amanda has over here. Amanda, can you show the gun over here real quick? That little thing right there is the TJR, I think it's CA Technologies, TJR Glaze Gun, and it's awesome. So we're going to use that too. That really gives us nice precise lines. That's Amanda, she's awesome too. We're going to do that, and then I'm going to use this as well. So that's what we're going to do. Alright, so we have the TJR Glaze Gun here. So you can use this gun for regular... It is an HVLP gun. You can hook it up to a compressor or a turbine. We have the glaze tip on it, which is a small needle type thing. And what you just do is you adjust your fluid feed, and you can go from there. You pull the trigger, pull it, it creates a bead, and then you just draw it along. That's all I'm doing here. Pretty simple. Again, I had this glaze mixture a little too thick for this gun, which was my fault. It was like the first time I was actually using it in a production setting and not just a sample. So, otherwise, I think it's a great gun. Good thing to have. Definitely really makes a big difference in production. As you can see there, I just screwed something up. I put a little too much on. I have a little bit of extender in this mix so that we can just take it right off if necessary. You really want to make sure that you fix any lines that need to be fixed right away because you don't want it sitting there or it will adhere. Some glazes dry real fast. Video. Test 1. Well, we already have Amanda going with the TJR Glaze Gun, but now we just have one of these little squeeze bottles with a tiny little tip on it. I actually got this off of Wish. Is like, oh, I don't know, it's like $1. Who cares? It comes with like 15 different little tips. It took like 3 months to get here. I mean, it is what it is. I forgot about it. This thing actually works awesome. So we just go like this. And look at this. Yeah, I like this the best, unfortunately. I spent $300 on that stupid gun. And if you get a little bit on the face or something like that, just a little wipey. I make sure to put in my contracts that anything that's hand glazed, there will be imperfections, there will be discrepancies, because it is a hand applied finish. And that goes right on the original bid. So if they don't sign that, or if they want it absolutely perfect, I don't want to do that, because there's some expectations that you just can't meet. I think I got a little too heavy there. Yeah, I need to go and find some of these. All right, and so in summation, here's our finished product. It looks beautiful. The client is awesome and super happy with it. They love it. Uh, I was just testing these couple of different glaze methods. We've done everything by hand before. We did these here. You know, you don't have to drop $300 on a glaze gun, especially if you're just starting out. Don't do it. You know, the little squeeze bottle will work just fine. If you are, you know, producing a lot of volume, you have a lot of jobs, and that's the reason I got this. We have a lot of glazing jobs coming up. It will come in handy for you down the road. So, thanks everybody for watching.